Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope all are doing great. So I'm so sorry because I was very busy, in my office work. So that's the reason why I couldn't able to post the video from a long time. So I'll try to, keep the videos regularly. Okay. So let's go ahead. Today's topic is like how to check the form patterns for all the forms which it contains. Let's say there is application explorer. Under application explorer, I guess you will be able to see the form list, right? What are the forms which is already existed, or which is already which was already existed and which was created, everything you'll be able to see the forms here. But what are all, like, what are the forms which is already existed? If you want to know what are the form patterns which it is, let's say there's accountant underscore br. If you can just open and if you check this form pattern, you'll be able to know. Okay, so there is one form pattern. Form pattern is simple list and details, and simple is details list grid form pattern. This accountant underscore br is using. So if you want to check all the forms with the form patterns at a time, okay, you have one way to check. So let me show you. Go to the extensions. From here, under this Dynamics 365, under the add-ins, you will be able to see run form patterns report. Okay, when you just click on this run form pattern report, what will happen means there will be one report which will be generated in the local folder. Okay, there we can able to check the complete form patterns. Let's wait, you'll get one pop-up here. Okay, so there is some problem with this no problem, but they have already gave the path here. See users, local admin, documents, and pattern report. Okay, so let's navigate for this. First, you have to go to the C folder. After that, users. I've already opened it, but let me show you again. So C folder here and users, right? So navigate to the users, and here local admin, and you have to select the documents. Under this documents, if you can able to see patterns report. Okay, double click on this pattern report where you'll be able to see this form patterns. These are all the forms. Okay, these are the form patterns. Let me just show you from the top. So these are all the form patterns, like simple list, detail grid, simple list, again task, parent, child, simple list. So these are the forms which you are able to see here. For invent parameters, let's take this invent parameter form. These pattern for this is table of contents. So you can able to how many controls, also how many controls this particular pattern have used. 268 controls. Okay, so like that, like you can able to check the form patterns and controls which is already covered. Okay, so this is how like you can able to check. Thank you guys, see you in the next video. Subscribe for more.